Okay guys, congratulations. You should have gone through and set up your $25 one-up account already, so you should have at least your hosting and your gold level paid. And now we're going to go on to actually set up our system. So you guys are looking at this page now. You could have come through several different landing pages. I have a couple of them set up right now. So I'm going to show you guys just one of them right here. So this is one of the landing pages that I have set up. Now these landing pages are very high converting and they're short and to the point. The main goal is to get people who are looking to make some extra income or who are looking to learn some skills on social media marketing. Alright, so I'm setting all these up to on that main focus. And whenever I add a new landing page or whenever I edit or update anything, it's automatically going to update for your system. So you guys actually don't have to worry about doing anything. Everything's already going to automatically get set up for you. All you have to do is literally just, we're just going to update this button right here, and we're going to update your Facebook link so that people can message you. Alright, because it's very important that you're connecting with your leads as they're coming through. So to get started, what the Powered Lead System is just a landing page and a web page building software. So inside of the back office of Powered Lead System, there's a built-in autoresponder, there's a built-in web page builder, and it is a very all-in-one product for online marketers. Now, I don't want you guys to worry about any of that right now. There's tons of advanced training on Power Lead System, and if you guys want to find any of that training, you guys can just simply go to YouTube and look for some more advanced training. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually copy my sales funnel so that you can start generating those $25 all the way up to those $1,000 instant commissions. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you set up a free trial. So below this video, there's going to be a share code and there's going to be a button to start a free trial. You want to click that button, start your free trial with the Powered Lead System, and then once you have your free trial set up, you want to log into your back office. Now the three buttons that are mandatory, you want to make sure that you are an affiliate, right? So you're actually earning those commissions. You're going to earn $20 monthly residual commissions from the Power Lead System, and you're actually going to be able to set up your very own domain. So to set up your domain, what you want to do is you want to go under where it says buy a domain, and you can buy a domain inside of the Power Lead System, or if you have a domain already, you can simply just transfer that domain over and use that one for your systems. Okay, so once you have your domain set up, then what you want to do is you want to actually go under companies you promote. Now under companies you promote, we're going to want to do two things. Okay, so where it says Facebook, as you guys see here, Facebook is linked to my profile. So what we want to do is we want to just click on the little box right here. We're going to click on F, and then you're going to scroll down where it says Facebook. Just click on the first one and then click on click here to save. You're going to get set up here, or you're going to get sent to this page, and then you're just want to put in your profile URL. So to find your profile, just go to Facebook, click on your name, and then it'll just be the top link right up in the top URL box, and you can simply just paste that into the Power Lead System and click on save. Now what you want to do is we want to set up our $25 one up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for the $25 one up. Now I'm going to be using the one with the spaces. There is two here, so you want to make sure it's the 25 space dollar space one space up. Okay, so you want to make sure it has the spaces in it. We're going to click here to save. And now you want to go back into your members area, and you're going to want to go under funnels and pages. Now under funnels and pages, you're going to scroll right to the very bottom, so you can grab this, and we're just going to be looking for this link right here. This is going to be the join link. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back over to the Powered Lead System under the companies you promote, and we're going to paste that into there. Now we're going to click here to save, and now our system is set up. Now that's literally all you guys need to do in order to start making commissions from this simple two-step process. Now what we want to do is we actually want to load that funnel into our Powered Lead System. So what you want to do is you want to click on My Sharing Codes, and now right now I don't have it under here, but what's going to happen is there'll be a code right here, okay, and the code is going to be 612-791-25$. Okay, so this is going to be the code, and you're just going to simply copy this code and you're going to paste it into this box right here. Alright, so 612-791-25$, and you're going to submit that code, and it's going to load the entire sales funnel. So you're going to get all of my email follow-up, you're going to get all of my landing pages, and you're going to get this, what I like to call the money page, because this is the page that is going to actually generate you some cash flow. Alright, so that's what you guys need to do. You need to go through, click the button below, set up your Powered Lead System account, and then just simply follow the process that I went through. Make sure at least the domain is set up, your affiliate is set up, and you want to have your profile picture set up. Alright, now that we have our sales funnel share code plugged in, we have our domain set up, now we need to link the two. The process is very simple using Powered Lead System. So what you want to do is you want to go under websites, and then we're going to want to go under websites again, and this is going to open up your main page. So for this example, what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use test at Six Figure Success System, and then we're going to scroll, and I'm going to look for, it should be near the top for you guys, but you're going to look for $25 LP1 or LP2. Now I'm going to put my name here, Dylan DeFazio, so that you guys can distinguish it, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use LP2, and then we're just going to scroll down, click on Save My Choice. We're going to save my choice again, and then what we're going to do is we're going to look for the $25 team emails. If you guys have an Aweber account or a GetResponse account, you guys can link it right there. Click on Submit, and then you're pretty much set up. Then all you have to do is just click on that link. If you guys want to test it, you can just enter in your email, and then it'll just redirect you over to the sales page. Now inside of the $25 one-up, setting up your Stripe payment is very simple. Okay, all you have to do is inside of your profile, you're just going to click on edit, and I'm not gonna pull it up, but you're just going to plug in your private keys, and all you have to do to get those is go under developers and then under API key. So under API key, you're going to have these two keys. All you need to do is just plug those into your $25 one-up, and then you can simply preview payment. So when somebody goes through to pay me, they're just going to simply click on Pay with Card. This is going to pop up, and boom, I'm going to earn a $25 commission, a $100 commission, a $250 commission, a $500 commission, depending on which package they purchase, directly into my account. Okay, so that is why I love $25 one-up, and that is how you guys are going to start earning. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. This is, like I said, stage 1 of this sales funnel. As our team continues to grow, I will be updating this, and don't worry, your system is going to automatically be updated. So if I film a new video, maybe I went out there and I made $10,000 in a week, and I renamed the system and I redid the video and I filmed an amazing video, guess what? Your system's going to automatically get updated, right? So that is why I love Powered Lead System, and that is why I love the $25 one-up platform, because I can teach you guys how to make money. I can give you my systems, and you can go out there and earn instant commissions. All right, so go ahead, set up your power lead system, copy this funnel, get activated, get in where you fit in with the $25 one up, and I look forward to seeing your guys' success. Okay, if you guys want to join the Six Figure Marketers Club, just go to facebook.com, type in Six Figure Marketers Club, and you can join my private group. Okay, there's over 300 members in it so far, and if you guys have any questions, you can feel free, just reach out to me there, and I look forward to connecting with you guys. All right, so have a great day. Go ahead, set up your system, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.